Hi everybody, it's Sue and I have another nail video for you. So today we're going to be reviewing this Melodysusie electric file. So jumping right on in, opening the box, it comes with the sanding band, the nail bits, the actual e-file, which is a really pretty pink color, and it has their logo Melodysusie on it. And it has the clip so you can attach that to your belt because it is a portable e-file. It comes with the charger and that little handpiece stand for you to put your handpiece on when you're not working on it. And this is the handpiece, and just your average handpiece. It is a bit bigger than the handpieces I normally use, but that's cool. So right off the bat, you can hear that this e-file is hella loud. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's just something to keep in mind because I know a lot of people prefer to have a quieter machine, but considering the price, it's not that big of a deal. Another thing I noticed is that it's loud, it vibrates a lot. Well, it vibrates. I shouldn't say it vibrates a lot, but it kind of does. And I feel like that will kind of be like a make or break situation for most people. But at the end of the day, it is an e-file made for like home use or beginner use. And as you can see here in this video, even though it's sped up, it's taking off the product on my client's nails really well. So even though it is, a little bit louder and it vibrates just a tad bit, it still gets the job done, and I didn't have any issue doing things like removing polish. I also did a full set on myself. That's not in this video or anything, but I used this e-file on myself, and I was doing a full set. And when I was filing the product on myself, it didn't give me any issues, and it was working really well. It's just the only thing is that it's kind of loud, but that's not that big of a deal, especially considering the price of the e-file. But I like it. I think it's definitely a great choice for beginners and at home use, and the fact that it's portable is awesome too. So if you're looking for an e-file to kind of start with, or you need like a backup e-file, I think this would be a good choice for most people. So that's pretty much the review. I like it. I think, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. But I'm just going to let y'all watch the rest of the video. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!